We've got two tri-tips. This one is $7. This is $17. But we're gonna go ahead and hook these up. All right, so we have the two pieces here that I showed you earlier. I cut one, the bigger one, cut a piece off of that, and we're going to put it all together, something either in that fashion or this fashion, onto the rotisserie. All right, here we go. On the spit, seasoned, salt and pepper only. Of course, sea salt and pepper. So here it is after everything was done. It was in there about 2 hours. The rotisserie itself was my first time using it. It's from Home Depot. The whole thing with everything you see, the motor, everything, was $50, so I figured I'd give it a try. Fit perfect in my grill, as you could probably see in the previous shot. But as far as the cooking, I was very happy with it. I like my stuff rare, medium rare maybe. But the only thing I would have done different maybe is leave it in just a touch longer, maybe another 20, 30 minutes tops, just to get the very center even with the rest of it. But it was soft, it was very delicious, and I'm definitely going to use it again with probably more weight next time. This was kind of like a trial. But anyway, thanks for coming by. Enjoy.